In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Google Play profile name. If you want to update the name that appears on your Google Play gaming profile, this is a quick process, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along on your own device. To begin, open the Google Play app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're in the correct account if you use more than one Google account, since your profile settings will only apply to the account that's currently active in the app. Once Google Play is open, give it a moment to fully load so all menu options are available. Next, go to your profile and look for settings. You'll usually find your profile icon near the top area of the screen. Tap on it to open the account menu, then find and select settings. This section is where Google Play keeps most of the app's account and preference options, so if your layout looks slightly different, just look for the same labels. Inside settings, press General. This will open a broader set of options related to your Google Play experience. Take your time here, because depending on your device or app version, some settings may appear collapsed until you tap to expand them. After that, select Play Games Profile. This is the part that controls your gaming identity within Google Play, including the name that other users may see in supported games and services. If you've never changed it before, this is the place where your current profile details will be shown. Then from here, you can now edit your profile name, tap into the name field, delete the current name if needed, and type the new one you want to use. Try to choose a name that you'll be comfortable keeping, especially if you use Google Play games regularly. Also, make sure the name follows any character or formatting rules shown on screen. Once your new profile name is entered, review it carefully for spelling before confirming the change. Even though this is a simple update, it's always a good idea to double check everything before you save. And that's it. That's how to change your Google Play profile name. As a quick reminder, some changes may take a little time to appear across all games or connected Google Play services, so don't worry if you don't see the update instantly. If you followed along step by step, your Google Play profile name should now be updated and ready to use.